I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of October 15th. This week is National School Bus Safety Week, a time set aside to inform parents, students, teachers, motorists, school bus operators, school administrators, and others about the importance of school bus safety. CMSD school bus drivers work hard to make sure our scholars get to and from school safely. Motorists need to do their part. If you see a bus stopped with the red stop sign out with flashing lights, stop. Do not drive around. The safety of children is at risk. Have you seen CMSD CEO Dr. Warren Morgan's weekly newsletter? It is emailed out each Monday and contains district information for community partners, parents, and staff. If you aren't receiving it and you would like to, you can sign up at clevelandmetroschools.org, then click on the CEO tab. On the left-hand side of that page, you will see CEO Weekly Focus Letter. Click on that to sign up. Year-round students remain on fall break this week. They will return to the classroom on Monday, October 23rd. Enjoy your time off. This is an exciting week in sports. On Monday, the Desiree M. Powell Senate Girls Volleyball Championship will be held at East Professional Center starting at 6 p.m. The Senate League Soccer Champions, the John Marshall Lawyers, will host Lorain High School in the OHSAA Regional Playoff game on Tuesday at 4:30 p.m. And speaking of home court advantage, the Max Hayes volleyball team will host Lutheran East High School at 6 p.m. for the OHSAA Division II tournaments. Good luck to all our student athletes. For more information on the rest of the games happening this week, including football, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/Senate League. Also, have you voted for Bard High School early college soccer player Adinso Cifuentes? He is nominated for Max Prep's Ohio High School Athlete of the Week. He recently received the MVP award during the Senate League Soccer Championship. You can vote as many times as you want. Cast your vote at maxpreps.com. Voting ends on Monday, October 16th at noon. So let's vote for Adinso as Max Prep's Ohio High School Athlete of the Week. Wednesday is National Unity Day. Students and educators are encouraged to wear orange to show they care about safe and supportive schools and communities. This is the day when everyone can come together and send one large orange message of kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. Also on Wednesday, Hannah Gibbons STEM Pre-K through 8 school is having an anti-gun violence rally beginning around 10 a.m. At the event, students will take a pledge to stop gun violence, plus students can enter a contest to perform a song or write an essay on how they can reduce gun violence. On Thursday, the district's Parent Advisory Committee is scheduled to meet from 11:30 in the morning to 1:30 in the afternoon at East Professional Center. These parent advisors act as liaisons between school leaders, teachers, and parents. They work to have more parent engagement at the schools. Well, CMSD is hiring. There are several positions available, including substitute secretary, environmental service specialist, professional bus driver. Those applicants must have their commercial driver's license. Full-time security officer. Those applicants must have their Ohio Peace Officer Training Academy certification. Assistant lunchroom manager and cook. Those who apply for that position must be ServSafe certified. For a complete list of job opportunities, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/hiring. There will be a job fair on Wednesday, October 25th from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. at East Professional Center. It is that time of year again for holiday treats. The Executive Grill is holding its 27th annual Pie Harvest Sale. Place orders by November 3rd at 2:30 p.m. for delicious pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, plus cheesecake, and don't forget about that pumpkin roll. Orders can be picked up just in time for Thanksgiving on Tuesday, November 21st. To place orders with a credit card, call 216-838-2433 between the hours of 8:30 in the morning to 9:30 in the morning, and then again from 2 to 3 in the afternoon. You can also make reservations to eat lunch at the Executive Grill on Wednesdays or Thursdays at that time. Friday is the end of the first marking period. Just 3 more marking periods to go before the end of the school year. Well, this week's shout out goes to the fall rite of passage of homecoming. Students and alumni at our high schools have enjoyed homecoming games, pep rallies. Check out this group at the John Marshall High School campus. I just love their moves. And we can't forget about the homecoming dance. These students are dressed to the nines. Don't they look great? They all look like they are having such a wonderful time. Now send us who you think should receive a CMSD shout-out by tagging Cleveland Metro Schools in your social media post and use the hashtag CMSD shoutout. Here are a couple of reminders. October is Ohio College Application Month. The Ohio Board of Regents and the American College Application Campaign encourage graduating seniors to begin navigating the college admission process by filling out at least one college admission application, as well as start the financial aid process. For more information, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/sayyes. Have you celebrated your principal this month? It is National Principals Appreciation Month. Check out Principal Turner at Franklin D. Roosevelt Academy. She was showered with gifts. Share your appreciation on social media by tagging Cleveland Metro Schools so we can join in on the celebration. Looking ahead, parent-teacher conferences will be Tuesday, October 24th for pre-K through 8 schools and Wednesday, October 25th for high schools. Students will not have school on the day of their conferences. Caregivers, please contact your child's school to set up a time to see how your student is progressing. We'll stay connected with what's going on in the district by downloading the CMSD app or following CMSD on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for watching CMSD 360. Have a great and productive week.